This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Schaumburg at the new Element at Veridian Luxury Apartments. Element has an outstanding suite of amenities, headlined by a 2-story community great room. The great room opens to a rambling resort-style terrace with grilling areas adjacent to an outdoor pool. Element also has a fully equipped fitness studio, a spacious yoga studio with lockers, a business center with conference rooms and private offices, a dog park with separate areas for large and small dogs, a package room with cold storage lockers, and more. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in apartment 110, a spacious one-bedroom with a den. Looking at high ceilings and plank flooring throughout the living areas. A coat closet off to the right as you enter. And off to the left, you're looking at this great L-shaped kitchen with a wide breakfast bar island. There are quartz counters, wide, deep, undermount stainless steel sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, dark stained cabinetry. It's a pantry cabinet, and a really terrific amount of counter and cabinet space. 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. You have a tile backsplash. The appliance package includes a 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave. There's a dishwasher in the island. All self-closed cabinetry. Heading toward the living area. And spinning around for a look at built-in desk with shelving up above. Really nice touch. Moving toward the den, off to my left is a closet with shelving. One of 3 in this apartment. The full-size stacked washer-dryer in a utility closet that also has a separate hot water heater. And then looking at the den, where there's enough space to set up almost anything you imagine. Living area has wide French-style windows, very distinctive. Leads out to a patio. Heading toward the bedroom. Another closet with shelving just outside the bath. A nice sized bath. There's a wide vanity with a bank of drawers for storage. Wood framed vanity wide mirror. Wide walk-in shower. And then the bedroom can accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture. Easily fit a king in here. Wide windows, again with those distinctive mullions. Off to the left is the 3rd closet with shelving. And continuing into a large walk-in closet that has a window. Look at plantation shutters throughout the apartment. There's a tandem entry into the bath from the bedroom. Everything at Element at Veridian is new, stylish, spacious, a very appealing location, an outstanding set of amenities. You want to put Element at Veridian high on your must-see list. You can see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info at the Element at Veridian website.